your girl Danielle and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If it's not your first time here and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos, why don't you go ahead and subscribe already, bro? I greatly appreciate it. Today's video, I've got another sponsor. Today we're going to be doing a product review and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company. So I'm really excited. Look at this cute packaging first of all. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about today's sponsor, and it is Aethera Beauty. Aethera Beauty is a non-toxic skincare company that is inspired by the Caribbean. Their products are packed with active botanicals, including Barbados cherry, aloe, avocado oil, Cannabis Sativa, carrot seed oil, coconut oil, guava, hibiscus, papaya, and more. They offer a 3-step skincare system to be used in the morning, during the day, and in the evening. So I'm just going to read off of my computer screen real quick the products they do have available. The first one is the one that I got. It is the Sunrise Botanical Reboot Serum with Cannabis Sativa. And what's really great is their 3-step skincare system. You can get it with Cannabis Sativa, which is hemp, and also with CBD. So one is hemp and then one is CBD. So this is the Sunrise Serum. You use this in the morning. It says this refreshing serum absorbs quickly with a powder finish, providing daily moisture and nourishment from cherry, hibiscus, plantain, dandelion, and potent Cannabis Sativa. I love this package. So if you look back here on the back where the ingredients are, the first ingredient is aloe juice, which I really love. And then you see like the third ingredient is hyaluronic acid. The fourth one is cannabis hemp seed oil. The ingredients look really, really good. It does say a lot of these are organic. And then if you turn here to the side, this is really cute. Like, can you see the sticker? Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so it says cruelty-free, no parabens, no I can never say this word. I'm just gonna throw it up here on the screen for you. I even gotta tell people that this is not in my sunless solutions and I still can't say it. Like, I've been trying to say this for 10 years. Can't say it. I don't know. No sulfates, no artificial color. So let me read you their statement. It says, Aethera is inspired by the tropical botanical concentrates used by island healers and native communities of the Caribbean. A portion of net proceeds will be donated to Caribbean hurricane relief. So not only can you get like these full-size products, but they also have a travel mini if you just want to try it out. So this is the first one in their skincare system. The next one is Botanical Brightening Concentrate, and you can get that again with Cannabis Sativa or with CBD. And then their sunset or their night is Botanical Rejuvenating Serum with Cannabis Sativa or with CBD. But today we're going to be talking about the Sunrise product. So it says Sunrise Everyday Sunset. So their 3-step skincare system should be used in conjunction like that. You'll use it in the morning, during the day, and at night. So it's in the morning. I've got my Sunrise Serum and I'm ready to try it out. Anything else on the box I forgot to mention? Nope, I don't think so. All right, let's dive right into it. I have not opened this yet, so this will be a first impression. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Like, I've only seen the box, and I'm really impressed with the box. I really love the colors. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I think the packaging is very original, but also very simplistic, not wasteful, totally in line with their company values. Oh, I like this one. So let's open it up. Oh, this looks very nice. Hold it up for you. Package. It says use once daily after cleanser. Apply 1 to 2 drops to fingertips and gently press into face. It does say that it's good for 12 months. It's made in the U.S. in Miami Beach, Florida. Okay, and it contains 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters. Oh, okay, it's got a cute little pump top. Okay. Apply 1 to 2 drops to fingertips. Try this out. Ooh, okay. As you can see, that's what the product looks like. It's very, very watery, like some of the other hyaluronic acid products that I do use. Ooh. This one's cool. Oh, wow. I can definitely smell the hemp in it. It's very strong. Wow, this smells really good. It does smell very botanical. Okay. Okay. It's kind of tacky, which is interesting. So let's let it dry. I'm not putting it up on my forehead or anywhere near my eyebrows because I just got my eyebrows microbladed. Well, I went for my 6-week touch-up, and they're looking pretty good. I got them done about a week ago. So they're looking pretty good, but I'm not putting anything around those for 6 weeks. So sorry, not going on my forehead. We're just gonna try that. Okay, so it is. It's a little tacky for my face. It's kind of sticky on my fingers. Okay, and then it says it provides daily moisture. I feel like I still need to put a moisturizer on after this. This almost feels like does it say serum? It is a serum. It is a serum, so it does say serum on it. I did only do 2 drops in my hand. As you can see, that was plenty. You probably need 3 to do your whole face. There's a lot of product in here that will last you for a while. Okay, it's drying. It's drying now. It definitely feels like my Evology serum that I use. I love their blemish serum, and that is kind of what this reminds me of. So I put that on my face. I'm not going to put any moisturizer on it, and I'm going to check back in with you guys later on. We're going to see how it keeps my face moisturized, if it breaks me out, because if you know me, you know I got sensitive skin. So let's see how it does. So I'll check back in with you guys then. Okay, you guys, it's been about 4 or 5 hours, and my skin feels really soft and supple. I did not need to put moisturizer on after that. I feel like so I only have 1 product. I didn't get the 3 products, but I feel like if I did have that middle everyday moisturizer, I would definitely use it after this, but it still feels really good. My skin is really soft. I might go ahead and get those other 2 so I can try out the whole system and see what I think. But so far I really love this. I think it's really great. I love the product. I love the mission. Like, I'm all about it. As a new and up-and-coming YouTuber, I think it's important because I never wanted to come on here and try to sell a product that, I mean, I never really wanted to come on here and sell a product anyway. I'm on YouTube because I like it and because this is fun for me. Like, it's a hobby. If I can make money doing it, then that's great. But I'm never going to recommend anything for you that I haven't tried myself or that I know the facts about. Yeah, I never wanted to come on here and try to sell you something that I didn't use myself or that I didn't believe in or that somebody just threw me some money to be like, hey, buy this. Like, no, I'm not doing that. I will never accept anything from somebody that I don't believe in. So I really love these products. I love these companies, and I'm so happy that these are some of my first sponsors. Yes! 2 snaps for your girl. Okay, so before we wrap up this video, I want to tell you a little bit about the difference between the Cannabis Sativa and the CBD in their products and what they do. So I'm just going to read a little bit off of here. It says that CBD is made from flowers, leaves, and stalk of the hemp plant rather than seeds. Unlike hemp seed oil, CBD includes a wide range of cannabinoids presented throughout the cannabis plant. Cannabinoid compounds have exclusive therapeutic, anti-stress, and relief benefits. When combined, optimize the overall benefits from vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Okay, so that is for CBD. Now, the Cannabis Sativa seed oil is rich in antioxidants that fight free radical damage that cause premature aging. It contains beneficial fatty acids, including key omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help hydrate and maintain skin barrier function. Hemp also contains amino acids known to help the skin generate collagen and elastin. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe skin while helping to minimize uneven tone, texture, acne, and other imbalances and irritations. So that is what I got. I do have the one with the Cannabis Sativa oil, okay? Which I was a little skeptical at first. I didn't know which one to get because all of these contain, well, all of them that have the Cannabis Sativa, they all come from hemp seed oil. And I normally am not a person who likes to put oil on my face. I put coconut oil on my face a year ago because some girl said it was a good moisturizer, and it broke me the hell out, and it took me a year to recover from it. It really did. My skin was so bad. So I'm very, very skeptical and hesitant to put any kind of oil product on my skin. But again, this is feeling really nice, and I'm really excited about it. So I think that it's definitely going to do what it claims. So it also says it's rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E. It has high levels of gamma. I can't say this. Linolenic acid, known to help maintain hormone health. Oh, I need that. It's a lightweight oil that can penetrate the dermis to deliver nutrients that promote healthy skin turnover. Come through, Aethera Beauty. I'm ready for it. Like, not only are they using cruelty-free products, they're using botanical, organic products, and they're also taking a portion of their proceeds to benefit Caribbean relief. I mean, could you ask for more? I just love it. I just love it. All right, so I want to read you a little bit about, just real quick. I know, but listen, you guys need to know this stuff. So I want to tell you a little bit about their hurricane relief program. So it says, Aethera treasures the tropical botanical concentrates found and used locally in the Caribbean. Many of these regional fruits, flowers, and seeds produce extracts and oils that can be found in the active bases of our formulas. Each year, the same Caribbean countries that people escape to for self-care and relaxation are hit by powerful and often devastating hurricanes. Locals weather the storms and build and rebuild season after season. To honor the communities in the 12 countries that make their permanent homes on or near the Caribbean Sea, Aethera commits to donating a portion of net proceeds to Caribbean hurricane relief efforts. So if you scroll down on their page, they do list the 3 foundations that they work with, and the first one is La Isla Foundation. The next one is Global Giving, and the third one is All Hands and Hearts Smart Response. So not only can you get a great product for yourself, but you can also help those countries that help contribute to your beauty products. Because if we don't take care, I mean, this is a subject for another video, but if we don't take care of our communities and the earth and the water and all that good shit, like, it's gonna be gone. Humans are like a virus, we kill everything. So, shout out to Aethera Beauty for trying to regenerate what they take. Also on their website, it talks a little bit about their chief medical officer. So the person at the forefront of their company is actually a healthcare professional. And it says she is on the forefront of the cannabis movement, currently leading the effort to create one of the country's first hospital-based pain management centers using THC and CBD. Go ahead, girlfriend. I'm with it! Okay, so I went to their fact page because on the box it does say that it's cruelty-free, but it does not say that it's vegan. So I wanted to check and see, but on their fact page it says, are your products made with animal products? And it says Aethera, God, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Aethera products are vegan. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin used in our products are plant-derived. I just fall more and more in love with this company the more I read. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking. I really don't have anything else to say. I'm feeling my skin again and it feels great. I don't know if you look, I kind of have like this glow. Can you see that? Glowing. Okay, so that's all I really have to say about that. I do think I'm going to get the other products for you guys so I can review the 3-step system. But if you're looking for a good morning serum, I definitely think that this is for you. As someone with sensitive skin, again, it worked really nicely. It dried down, like it said. It did say it dries down to a powder finish. So even though it was tacky at first, now it feels so good. And I'm just really happy with the product. So if you're interested in trying any of the products, I am going to link it down in the description box below. They do have a travel mini available for only $18, and you can use my code FRIENDS20 for some coin off your purchases. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Are you excited? Does it sound like something that you want to try? If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. Well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. I love you. Later.